Alright guys, so I figured out how to turn these. The problem is I can't figure out how to turn them back into their original position. So to get them into this position, all I had to do was just push the back ones here, the ones that have the red propellers on, like so, and they just clicked into place. But now, if I want to push them back, okay, never mind. You can just push them back like that. It's just, usually I don't know my strength, so I'm just always worried about pushing too hard. So yeah, that's how you do it. You just push in one direction and it clicks into place, and then push it the other direction, and then it will come back out like this. Now to put it onto this, it's kind of tricky. You have to remove the battery, and then I think you can just, it's hard to see, I think you can just do this and then put the battery in, but it is tricky because I think it's supposed to go underneath this little tab thing here, but I'm so worried about breaking the drone. I don't know. I don't think they did this part that well, but I'm hoping that maybe if I just put the battery in, it'll be enough, but it's not looking like it's gonna be that easy. And yeah, so that's going to be a little bit of a tricky thing. I really don't want to break this cool thing, but it's looking hard to get this in place. Anyway, if I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. So see you in the next one.